Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove ringtone on Tecno mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to sound and vibration. So you have to move on it. After you have been moved on it, again you have to scroll down to on the down. You are going to find it has given differently. For the sim 1 different and for the sim 2 it has given differently. So from here, if you want to remove for the sim 1 you can remove it, and if you want to remove from the sim 2 you can remove it, but it's same only. Okay, I'm just showing you some example. It's same only, you just move for the sim 1 or sim 2. Okay, so from here if you want to remove it, you just see here this none option, first none option. So if you want to remove it, just click on this double. Okay, you have to click twice. Okay, you have to click twice, then only this ringtone will be removed successfully from your mobile phone. Okay, remove it like that. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.